morning, dear students. Welcome to English second paper class. I know all of you are safe and sound. Your home is your classroom now. You know, due to COVID-19, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions. In our previous class, we learned how to change the voice from active to passive. Today, we will learn more about different types of voice and its details. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Allegiance School and College. Let's move on to our class. Our today's topic's name is reflexive and quasi-passive voice. First of all, we have to know what is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are words that ends in self, selves, such as myself, yourself, themselves, etc. But in this sentence, the subject and the object are the same person. For example, he killed himself. As usual, we know there is side changing in the voice, but in the reflexive voice there is no side changing. Here subject and object are both are the same person. He killed himself. In this voice there is only change, is in verb. Let's see. He was, because killed is a past tense. That's why we use was. He was killed by himself. Himself is the symbol of reflexive pronoun. Then another example. He hurt himself. He, as usual, he hurt is a past tense. That's why was. And the third forms of the verb hurt is hurt by preposition and himself as usual. Now, quasi-passive voice. Quasi means half. Half means quasi-passive. Quasi-passive is of two ways or is of two kinds. With complement, without complement. Quasi-passive with complement. In two ways, we can solve the problem of quasi-passive voice. The first structure is subject plus be form plus complement plus when or if plus it plus they plus be form plus be3 or past participle. I mean the third form of the verb. The third form of the verb, or subject plus be form. Be form means am, is, are plus be3 plus complement. For example, honey tastes sweet. In this voice there is no object. Sweet is not object. It's a complement or adjective. Let's do this voice. Honey is sweet when it is tasted. Honey is subject. Is be form. Am, is, are. Honey is third person singular number. That's why is. Complement sweet or adjective. Plus when plus it plus be form is plus be3 tested. In the second structure, we can solve the problem of the quasi-passive verb. Honey, subject is be form plus tested plus sweet complement. another example. The bed feels soft. According to first structure, the bed is soft when it is felt. Here, the bed is subject. Is be verb. The bed is third person singular number. That's why is. Complement soft. Well plus eat. Be verb is. Verb to be plus fed. The third form of the verb feels. Feel is felt. Or according to second structure, subject the bed. Be verb is plus the third form of the verb felt plus complement soft. Again, the story reads funny. The story is funny when it is read. The story subject is be form verb to be am is are. The story is third person singular number. That's why is. The complement funny when plus eat plus is be verb plus the three read. The three forms of the verb read, reads, read, read. Or followed by second structure, the story is be form plus be3 read plus complement funny. Now verbs without a complement. The house is building. There is no doer of the action in this sentence. The house is building. The house is building and the building is house. We can solve the problem in such a way, that is, the house is here building. Build plus ing. For this ing, I have to write being. The house is being. The third form of the verb build is built. Then the book is printing. As usual, the book is printing. Print plus ing. Print plus ing. For ing, I can write being. Then the third form of the verb print. I mean printed. The last one is the cows are milking. The cows are milking, the passive. The cows plural form, that's why are. Milk plus ing. For ing, I'll write being. The cows are being milked. The third form of the verb milk is milked. Here structure is subject plus be form plus being plus verb 3. Dear students, the cows subject are before am is are, because plural, that's why are. Being for ing we can write being plus verb 3. The third form of the verb milk is milked. Now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is she fends herself. She poisoned herself. Rice sells cheap. The rose smells sweet. The car is running. When you answer this question, one thing keep in your mind, that is today's structure that I have shown you today. I hope you enjoyed the class and don't forget to learn. Stay home, stay safe, goodbye.